Ethereum cost pretty equivalent to $1,898.49 a coin. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, $1,887.98 $1,906.13, or so they in a real sense thought. The earlier day close, $1,892.74, which especially is very critical. The change explicitly was plus 5.75. Plus 0.30%, or so they especially thought. Converse rate, USD to ETH, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an essentially huge manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $1876, truly most extreme 2007, in every practical sense, least 1745 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1919, by and large greatest 2053, especially least 1785, which all things considered, is very huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $1919, by and large most extreme 2053, fundamentally least 1785 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $1944, genuinely greatest 2080, exceptionally least 1808, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $1923, greatest 2058, especially least 1788, which really is very critical. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $1911, kind of greatest 2045, in every practical sense, least 1777 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $1937, certainly greatest 2073, kind of least 1801, which especially is very huge. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $1843, sort of most extreme 1972, sort of least 1714, which explicitly is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $1849, lovely most extreme 1978. By and large least 1720, showing how in multi-week Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $1911, especially greatest 2045, kind of least 1777, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum gauge on Friday, May 12, cost $1702, most extreme 1821. All things considered, least 1583, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $1725, fundamentally most extreme 1846, truly least 1604 amazingly. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $1689, in every way that really matters, greatest 1807, fundamentally least 1571, which basically is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $1711, exceptionally greatest 1831, in every practical sense, least 1591, or so they for the most part thought. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $1704, genuinely greatest 1823, genuinely least 1585, or so they generally thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $1778, especially greatest 1902, beautiful least 1654, truly further appearance how in multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $1911, in every practical sense, most extreme 2045, by and large least 1777 in an unpretentious manner. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, May 22, cost $1866, for the most part greatest 1997, fundamentally least 1735, which explicitly shows that in 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $1866, most extreme 1997, exceptionally least 1735, which essentially is very critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost $1893, truly greatest 2026, kind of least 1760, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost $1874, kind of most extreme 2005, beautiful least 1743, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $1926, sort of greatest 2061, for the most part least 1791. Ethereum figure on Friday, May 26, cost $1936, greatest 2072, truly least 1800, which is very huge. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $1921, most extreme 2055, all things considered, least 1787, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $19.12. Lovely most extreme 2046. Beautiful least 1778 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH conversion scale truly equivalent to 0.5267 coins per $1,000, or so they explicitly thought. Today, S reach 0.5246 minus 0.5297. Pretty further appearance how today, S exchange cost reigned 1,887.98 1,906.13, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby 0.5283 in a genuinely large way. Change for now 0.0016, 0.30%, which essentially is genuinely critical. USD to ETH cost figure for in the not-so-distant future and month. So USD to ETH cost estimate for in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 0.533 coins. Truly greatest 0.573. Genuinely least 0.498. So the past day, S nearby 0.5283 in an especially significant way. USD to ETH forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.521 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.560, especially least 0.487, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.521 coins. Kind of most extreme 0.560, in every practical sense, least 0.487, which by and large is genuinely critical. USD to ETH forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.514 coins. Kind of greatest 0.553, fundamentally least 0.481, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Friday, May 5, cost 0.520 coins. Sort of greatest 0.559, truly least 0.486, exhibiting the Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $18.76. Lovely most extreme 2007, in every practical sense, least 1745 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week USD to ETH forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 0.523 coins. Really most extreme 0.563, certainly least 0.489, which basically is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.516 coins. Exceptionally greatest 0.555, kind of least 0.482 in a kind of large manner. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.543 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.583. By and large least 0.507. By and large further appearance how the earlier day close, 1,892.74 in a very huge way. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.541 coins. Especially greatest 0.581, really least 0.506. Exhibiting how dollar to Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.516 coins. Especially most extreme 0.555, kind of least 0.482 in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 0.588 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.632, especially least